So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run this in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in services, click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to find background intelligent transfer service, double click on it. Now once you run this, you're going to set the startup type to automatic delayed start. And then you're going to click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped. So again, make sure you have the startup type on automatic delayed start, and then click on stop, which will make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. And now we're going to click on W on our keyboard. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows Update, double click on it. Make the startup type automatic, and then click on stop. Wait for this to load, which will now make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer, click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. And then once you're on this, you're going to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it, double click on it. And then click on Windows. Now we're going to find software distribution. We're going to scroll down till we find software distribution, double click on it. And then click on download. We're going to delete everything in this folder, so do Control A on your keyboard and then click on delete. And then tick do this for current items and then continue. Wait for this to load. You want to delete everything in this folder. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now we're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth. Click on enter again. You now want to run this final scan. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we're just going to restart the computer. And then the problem should be fixed.